Et ça veut dire bon que bon pose une question ça là. Dans programme nan là, en tout, combien haïtiens t'as dit passer la donne que ou aider là?
Ok,
Nous
chaque
connaissons
année,
10 000 haïtiens là, combien?
so Ndegadu, we serve over 3,000 people. I mean individuals
OK.
each year. Nous serve
Oh, chaque année.
chaque année.
Oh
Yeah,
wow.
we serve over 3,000 individuals each year. Nous servons plus que 300 haïtiens chaque année. Et j'aime dire que du cours anglais, informatique, nous aidons les jeunes travail.
300.
Non, 3,000.
3,000.
Yeah, 3,000.
OK.
Yeah,
Oh.
over 3,000
But
individuals each year.
so if there were anyone in the community who wants to help the Haitian community, like in Rhode Island or outside of Rhode Island, how can they assist you?
Well, first they can go on the website, which is NB4HS, NB for the number 4 HS.org. They can donate it, and they can mail us whether if it's a check, they can mail us a check. They can mail us a check at 685 North Main Street, Providence, Rhode Island. That's the headquarters. That's where 685 North Main Street is the headquarters of the organization.